Honey, let's talk.
No! Wait. That was then, but this is now. So tell me, what would you like to talk about? Now, if you're looking at this video, can you relate? If you can, we've got some good news for you.
Our live in person communication workshop is scheduled for April 5th, 2025, from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m.
Let's talk. Let's talk. Where listening meets understanding and words bring you closer.
Mhm.
Let's talk. I'm Dr. Delroy Fredericks here with my beautiful wife, Winnet, and we're actually very excited about this brand new marriage enrichment workshop.
The event will be live in person, and if you want to connect more with your partner, join us so that we can talk.
Let's talk. Come out and discover how to unblock communication lines. Have you ever said something and the response you got from your spouse was like, how did we get here? I'll tell you why. Because the communication lines are blocked. So if you come to this event, you not only learn how to unblock communication lines, but you learn how to create emotional safety so that you can actually talk and resolve conflicts while doing so.
We promise you it will be life transformative.
So register now for the early bird special. And because this event is either live, in person, or online,
Mm.
you can also sponsor a couple if you're not able to make it. Links will be in the description.
We are looking forward to
To seeing
seeing you
you
in person or
online.
online.
See you soon.